you are getting it all wrong when it comes to the serum thing. That is why most of you complain about your serums making you dark or causing you to have breakouts or irritating your skin. But guys, in today's video I'm going to be telling you guys everything you need to know about serums and the mistakes you're making when it comes to serums. I'm also going to be recommending serums that you would need for your skin type. That serum that will be good for you, I'm going to be recommending it also in this video. Guys, before we start this video, if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, do so, subscribe to my channel, like this video, share, and also leave your comments. And without further ado, let's get right into the video. Hello guys, and welcome back again to my channel. Guys, I'm so excited to be back here, and in today's video we're going to be talking about serums. Yes, and I'm going to be recommending serums for different skin types. But before we start, guys, what is this serum that we're talking about here? So what is a serum? A serum is a skincare product that contains active ingredients that is used to target specific skin concerns. So either you have hyperpigmentation, or you have dark spots, or maybe you have dehydrated skin or irritated skin. Well, there's a serum that is out there that is going to target that specific skin concern. That is what serums are. So serums are active skincare ingredients that are used to target specific skin concerns. Okay, so there's some serums that are even for people that have acne. Some serums are for people who have maybe hyperpigmentation, dark spots, sunburn. So that is what serums will do. They will target those specific skin concerns, unlike other skincare products that, like your cleansers, that what you just have there is just maybe a bit of, maybe example, vitamin C included in it. But vitamin C is not the only thing used in making that cleanser or that moisturizer. Maybe there are like other things used to make that particular skincare product. But serums, that particular active ingredient is what is inside that serum, so it's going to target that particular skin concern. That is why serums are very, very important in every skincare routine. If you don't know the kind of skin types that we have different types of skin types. We have oily skin, acne prone skin. We also have dry skin, we have sensitive skin, we have normal skin, and we have combination skin. So these are the type of skin types that we have. So yes, the first skin type I'm going to be talking about is the oily or acne prone skin. Now this particular skin type is the skin type that tends to produce excess oil on their skin, like their T-zone area, and also their cheek, in fact all over their face tends to be oily. And some of the signs are enlarged pores, whiteheads, blackheads, and sometimes also acne. That's why they're categorized as oily or acne prone skin. Now the perfect serum for people who have oily and acne prone skin are serums that contain ingredients like niacinamide, salicylic acid, or any AHA or BHA. Because these particular ingredients tend to balance out oil production on the skin, they also help to unclog the pores and also brighten the skin as well. So if you had dark spots, maybe due to your acne, or you have hyperpigmentation, well, these serums will also help to target those skin concerns irrespective of your skin type. Now, some example of the serums I'm going to recommend for your skin type is, the first one is the Balance Active Niacinamide Serum. Guys, you see this serum, it is super amazing. Now, another serum I'm going to be recommending is the Face Facts Lactic Acid Serum. Now, this serum is an AHA serum rather, and what you need to do is that it's going to gently exfoliate your skin. So if you have oily skin or acne prone skin, this serum is perfect for you. Now another serum I'm going to be recommending is the Thiam Niacinamide Serum. Guys, this Thiam Niacinamide Serum has really been making the buzz out there, so it is really, really good. Like, I have seen people who used it and they really gave good reviews of this particular serum. Then another serum again is the Face Fact Salicylic Acid Serum. Guys, salicylic acid is a BHA and it helps to get rid of dark spots, unclog the pores, gently exfoliates the skin. So if you have an acne prone skin and oily skin, this serum is also perfect for your skin. Another serum is the Face Facts Niacinamide Serum. This serum is also an amazing serum, and we also have the Ordinary Niacinamide Serum, which is also an amazing serum as well. So you guys can actually try out any of these serums. Well, if you are on a budget, you can actually try out the Face Facts, because Face Facts are very much affordable. It's a very much affordable brand that you can try out if you are on a budget. Now, what these serums will do for you is that they will help to brighten out your skin. They help to target out, they help to unclog your pores and also control oil production on your skin. If you have a dry skin, you're looking more to hydrate your skin, you're looking for serums that will help to hydrate your skin. And there are so many serums I can actually try out, but the ingredients you need to look out for are ingredients like hyaluronic acid, glycerin, and ceramide. These are the 3 key ingredients that you need to look out for in your serums. So the serum I'm going to be recommending is the Face Fact Hyaluronic Acid Serum. We also have the Balance Active Hyaluronic Acid Serum. Then we also have the Ordinary Hyaluronic Acid Serum. These serums are amazing serums. Those are hyaluronic acid serums, because hyaluronic acid, what it's to do for you is that it's going to bring back that hydration into your skin. It's going to help to deeply hydrate your skin. There is this serum which is also called the Face Fact Ceramide Serum. Guys, that serum is very nice. Like, it is super good, especially if you're suffering from damaged skin barrier. Guys, that serum is amazing. So if you have a dry skin and your skin, maybe your dry skin was caused by maybe irritation, maybe your skin became irritated, maybe you use this particular skincare product that damaged your skin, well, this serum is amazing. This Face Fact Ceramide Serum to prepare your skin's barrier and take your skin back to its normal state. So for my people with sensitive skin, okay, now the kind of serums that you will need to get are serums that contain ingredients like ceramide, hyaluronic acid, because they will help to soothe and calm your skin. And the serum I'm going to be recommending is the Face Fact Ceramide Serum, also the Face Fact Hyaluronic Acid Serum, and we also have the Ordinary Hyaluronic Acid Serum. Guys, these serums are amazing. So you can actually get the one that is within your budget, because the Face Fact is actually very much affordable. But if you have that extra money to spend, you can actually get the Ordinary Serum, which is quite on the high side but also very much effective as well. So if you have a normal skin, these are people that they don't even need to even bother about anything. Like, their skin is not too dry, their skin is not too oily, they just have a normal perfect skin. So these are people that can actually get away with vitamin C serums. These are people that can get away with serums like Dr. Rachel, people that can get away with serums like Rochon, and is working for them, like working 100% for them. These are people that can get away with serums like that. Now, a serum I'm going to recommend for you guys is the Balance Active Vitamin C Serum. Yes, you can also try out the Face Fact Vitamin C Serum. Yes, this is the serum I currently use. I'm using the Face Fact Vitamin C Serum and I've been loving it, so you can actually try it out. You can also try the Advanced Clinicals Vitamin C Serum. These are amazing vitamin C serums that you can try. Then if you have that extra money to spend, then you can go in for the Timeless Vitamin C Serum. That serum is amazing. Combination skin is a skin type that they have both dry and oily skin, in the sense that their forehead, their nose, and their chin tends to be oily, then their cheek tends to be dry. So if you have a combination skin, you want to also go in for serums that would help to brighten out your skin, control oil production on your skin, unclog your pores, but at the same time will not dry out your skin. So I'll recommend that you go in for niacinamide serums and some types of vitamin C serums. Okay, so a niacinamide serum I'm going to recommend is the Tiam Niacinamide Serum. That serum is amazing. We also have the Balance Active Niacinamide Serum. We also have the Face Fact Niacinamide Serum. These serums are amazing niacinamide serums that you guys can actually try out. So if you have a combination skin, just over to try. Then there's this serum by Beauty Formula. I think it's called the Beauty Formula Illuminating Serum. I've heard so many amazing things about this particular serum, and you guys can actually try it out as well. I heard that it's not so that it's going to brighten out your skin and also going to hydrate your skin as well as brightening out your skin. So you can actually try out the Beauty Formula Illuminating Serum. Then for people with aging skin, like if you're aging, or rather you're looking for something that is going to a serum that is tilted more into anti-aging, well, you can go in for serums that contain ingredients like collagen and retinol. Okay, you see, collagen and retinol are very wonderful ingredients in skincare products. Renewers can also increase cell turnover, so they are really good. They are amazing serums. Now, one example of a collagen serum is the Face Fact Collagen and Q10 Serum. Guys, this serum is nice. See, Face Fact as a brand in a whole, guys, I don't know, they just came to the market and they just decided to take the market by storm. Like, their products are really good. They are mild and good, but you have to be very patient when using their products, but their products are really good. I'm currently using their vitamin C serum and I'm loving it. So Face Facts Collagen and Q10 Serum is an amazing serum that you guys can actually try out. Another serum that you can try is the Face Facts Retinol Serum. Guys, this serum is an amazing serum. You can actually try out the Face Facts Retinol Serum. So, and what it's going to do for you is going to help to also brighten out your skin. So if you're not just looking out to increase cell turnovers and also just looking out to increase cell turnover on your skin and also renew your skin, well, you can, and you also want to go in for brightening out your skin, well, the Face Facts Retinol Serum will do the job for you. But the thing about retinol is that you have to use it at night. Okay, do not use it in the daytime, use at night. You have to use it at night because retinol and the sun don't go well together, so it's best for you to use your retinol serum at night. Okay, so if you are of the oily acne prone skin, I recommended some particular serums like that contain AHA, like the Face Fact Lactic Acid Serum, the ordinary salicylic acid serum, and also the Face Fact Salicylic Acid Serum. Guys, when using that serum, our advice is use it at night. Okay, use it only at night because these are exfoliating ingredients that if you're not careful and you use it in the daytime, it can burn your skin. It can even cause more damage to your skin. So it's best for you to use them at night. So you can use your niacinamide serum in the daytime, then you can use your AHA serums or your BHA serums at night. Okay, let me know in the comment section thoughts about this video, and if there's any other video you'd like me to make for you, or you have questions or suggestions, also leave that under the comment section, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Till then, bye.